making a 5-layer density tower. My 5 substances are syrup, milk, dish soap, vegetable oil, and rubbing alcohol. I will first begin by pouring a small amount of syrup. Syrup's density is 1.37 grams per milliliter. And then I will be pouring milk second because milk's density is 1.027 grams per milliliter. My third substance is dish soap because its density is 1.06 grams per milliliter. My second to last substance is vegetable oil because its density is 0.917 grams per milliliter. And what you want to do is get a funnel and aim it to the side and slowly pour your vegetable oil in. Our last substance is rubbing alcohol, and I do not have any food coloring to distinguish the rubbing alcohol, but you will see a white foamy layer line up above the vegetable oil. As you can see, we have the syrup here that is once again 1.37 grams per milliliter. Then we have a thin layer of milk here, which is 1.027 grams per milliliter. We have the dish soap, which is 1.06 grams per milliliter. The vegetable oil, which is 0.917 grams per milliliter. And lastly, we have the rubbing alcohol, which is 0.79 grams per milliliter. If you didn't notice what these numbers, the order of these numbers have in common, is that it's largest to smallest, because the higher the density, the heavier the liquid is. So as syrup is the heaviest in density because it is 1.37 grams per milliliter, rubbing alcohol is the least dense because it is 0.79 grams per milliliter. This concludes my 5-layer density tower, and once again you can see the densities, and even if you were to mix them up, and wait, all of them return back to their placements because of the density.